Hello, everybody. I cannot believe how fast 2025 is already going. January has come to an end, and now we are gearing up for February. Freeze dry February, that is. Hey, if you've never heard of freeze dried February, where you been? This is our third year to present freeze dried February to all of you friends on YouTube. What is Freeze Dried February anyway? It is a collaboration where 30 different YouTube channels are getting together to bring all of you some really amazing content. There will be videos on how-tos, videos on storage, videos on cooking, videos on fun, videos on tips and tricks, all sorts of videos, all related to freeze drying. Now you're maybe thinking to yourself, wait a minute, I don't have a freeze dryer. That's okay. Not all of our participants have freeze dryers either, but they enjoy using freeze dried food. So if you go out and purchase freeze dried items, this might be the collaboration for you too. And those of you who maybe either are seasoned or new to owning a freeze dryer, this collaboration is also for you. I'm so excited about this year's lineup. Let's pause for a minute. I've put together a quick little video I want to share with all of you that kind of explains the collaboration. And then when we get back, I'll break it down a little bit more to explain it into detail. Watch now. So as you may have noticed in our video clip, what you need to look for is that special hashtag freeze dried February. Now, I know sometimes people will pick up these hashtags and you will get misled on whether or not it's part of this collaboration. That's okay. I love seeing all people create freeze-dried videos. But if you want to be a part of this collaboration, you will go to my channel. You're already here, so make sure that you bookmark that playlist so that any future videos that come out will be on that playlist using that hashtag. You will also find a unique, I'll post it somewhere here, a unique little logo that is specific just to the participants. You will find that on their thumbnail. What's a thumbnail? That's that little picture you see before you click on the video to start watching it. That's where you'll find that. Those are telltale signs that you are in the right place. What can you do as one of the subscribers to get more involved in this amazing collaboration? Well, there's lots of things you can do. First of all, I will have the list down below of all the participants. Now is your chance. Go and subscribe to their channels so that when their videos come out, you can know when they go live. Everybody posts at a little bit different of a time according to their own personal schedule. So not everybody will post their videos on the same time each day. Don't worry, just keep checking that playlist to make sure that you don't miss those videos. What else can you do to stay involved? Well, give those videos a like so that it kind of gets the momentum going on their video that day. And if you really enjoyed it, make sure you share it out on all your socials, not just here on YouTube, but on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever platforms that you use. Get the word out about this amazing collaboration and these fantastic videos. By watching the videos completely to the end, you will really get to absorb all that amazing, great stuff that everyone's sharing with you. And because you watch the whole video, you'll have great things to say, right? Yes, down below, make sure you leave unique, heartfelt comments because there just might be some giveaways and you don't want to miss out on those just because you left a boring comment like, yep, or thanks. Make sure you get into their video, know what they're talking about, and comment and let them know because we as content creators, we love that feedback. We love to hear all the things that you maybe learned from us so that it encourages us to make more videos for all of you. And for an extra fun bonus, I've decided to bring back the weekly live gatherings. So my first year I hosted, we would get together and we would have a Q&A. I didn't do that last year, and I think we all missed that, didn't we? I certainly did. So every Saturday, be looking for on my channel, The Inquisitive Farm Wife, to have a live. We'll discuss the weekly videos that you had seen previously, and I'm going to have a fun little tidbit for you every single Friday on my community tab. So make sure you check that out, and then we'll discuss that little tidbit too. And if there's time, we will have a Q&A back and forth in the comment section. So make sure that if you have any questions about freeze drying or something that you saw in the videos, that you attend. I'll do my best to answer all the questions I have, and hopefully we'll have a guest with us each week too. Of course, we're going to have some giveaways. So let me tell you a little bit about our sponsors. Boots and Bounty Homestead is going to be giving away a choice of 2 freeze-dried items from their online store. So yes, if you win from them, you get to choose the prize. Next, Freeze Dry Society is going to give away one of her favorite tools. It is a portable jar sealer. Those are so handy. You can use them anywhere that you need, and you don't have to have a plug-in. This is my chamber vacuum sealer. You know what I love to use with my chamber vacuum sealer? Avid Armor's vacuum seal Mylar bags. I absolutely love having these around, and they are donating several of these to this collaboration. All those prizes I just mentioned are for US only. However, to all my non-US friends, I am going to give away a gift certificate if you are outside of the US and you win that prize. And then to the grand prize, Harvest Right. That's right. We get to give away the latest version of the medium Harvest Right freeze dryer. I have an older version that has 4 trays versus the 5. You will get 5 trays with yours. You'll get to decide what color, and it'll be shipped directly to your door. The Harvest Right grand prize is eligible for US and Canada only. For the grand prize, there's a little bit different way that we're going to enter for that this year. Because of all the nasty scammers out there, we want to make sure that your information stays safe. So Harvest Right has given me a special link to share with you for the month of February, the 1st through the 28th. It will be live, and you will find that link in the bottom of every single video that is part of this particular collaboration. What you have to do is go in and fill out that form. I'm going to have that live giveaway, but I'll also reach out through email to you. And our final giveaway day will be March 1st, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Be there or be square. If you need to, go back and re-watch this. But please share this video out with all your friends and get them excited about this collaboration because it's going to be epic.